In 476 AD, the city of Ravenna became the setting for a significant and fateful conflict. Odoacer, a Germanic chieftain with ambitions of his own, led his diverse coalition of Germanic tribes toward the Western Roman capital. His forces included Heruli, Siri, and other warriors, all united under his command. Their target was Flavius Orestes, the powerful Magister Militum who had deposed the legitimate Western Roman Emperor Julius Nepos and installed his own young son, Romulus Augustulus, as a puppet ruler. Orestes had hoped to establish a stable regime through his son's nominal rule, but his authority was weak and continually under threat. The Roman army, once the pride of the empire, had been diminished by years of internal strife, political corruption, and continuous barbarian invasions. Odoacer, seeing an opportunity, decided to challenge Orestes and seize control of Italy. Odoacer's army, well organized and experienced in warfare, moved swiftly toward Ravenna. Despite being the last stronghold of the Western Roman Empire, Ravenna's defenses were not prepared for the onslaught that was about to come. The city's strategic location and fortified nature had protected it in the past, but it now stood vulnerable due to the weakened state of Roman military power. As Odoacer's forces approached, Orestes attempted to muster a defense. However, the Roman troops, lacking the discipline and numbers that had once made the Roman legions formidable, were quickly overwhelmed by the superior tactics and determination of Odoacer's coalition. The battle was fierce but brief, with Orestes' forces unable to hold their ground against the relentless Germanic assault. Orestes himself was captured during the fighting. Knowing the consequences of his actions, he faced his fate with resignation. Odoacer, consolidating his victory, ordered Orestes' execution, eliminating any remaining challenge to his authority. With the defeat of Orestes, Odoacer entered Ravenna triumphantly. Romulus Augustulus, the young and last emperor of the Western Roman Empire, was deposed but spared due to his youth and perceived innocence. In a symbolic act marking the end of an era, Odoacer sent the imperial regalia to Zeno, the Eastern Roman emperor in Constantinople, effectively recognizing the end of the Western Roman Empire and acknowledging the Eastern emperor's supremacy. Odoacer did not seek to claim the title of emperor for himself. Instead, he declared himself the King of Italy, ruling over the remnants of the Western Roman Empire with the support of his Germanic followers. This momentous event marked the fall of the Western Roman Empire and the beginning of a new chapter in European history, characterized by the rise of Germanic kingdoms and the gradual transformation into what would later be known as the Middle Ages. The collapse of Roman authority in the West led to significant cultural and political changes. While the Eastern Roman Empire, or Byzantine Empire, continued to thrive and preserve Roman traditions for nearly another 1,000 years, the Western regions saw the emergence of new powers and the blending of Roman and Germanic cultures, setting the stage for the medieval period.